Up next, more for the pure rider. No whiz-bang stereos or GPS devices on this bike. This is about riding in style. Welcome to the 2018 Indian Springfield in color Thunder Black. Bike makes quite a statement, doesn't it? Incredibly great styling. Plenty of fuel to feed the 111 cubic inch V-twin engine mated to the 6-speed transmission for nothing but pleasure heading down the road. The 2018 models continue to roll in, and this one is available for test rides 7 days a week at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos.